welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the most useful and beginner-friendly functions in Excel, the equals sum function. Let's dive in. Here we've got a fruit count sheet with the names of how many fruits each person has collected. We have apples, oranges in the first table, and bananas and strawberries in the second one. Let's say you want to find out the total number of apples collected. Click on the cell under the last number in the apples column, that cell, B10. Now type this, equals sum, and then you want to click on B2, and you can just drag that all the way down to B9. So this will give you the total value of all the apples. Now similarly, you can do what we just did for B10 over here on C10. So if you want to find out the total amount of oranges, you type in equals sum, and then you go all the way down from C2 to C9, and then you press enter, and there you can see there's more oranges than there is apples. Now let's go down to bananas and strawberries. So let's do what we done here on apples and oranges, but on bananas and strawberries. So if we go down to B22, enter equals sum, and go from B14 to B21, that will give us the total of the bananas. Similarly, we can do this in C22, going from C14 all the way down to C21. Enter. And here you can see, from using the sum function, we were able to see that there are more strawberries than oranges, and the least amount is the apples. So that's how easy it is to use the sum function. Now, just one other thing I want to show you is that you can also do it on non-adjacent cells. So let's say for scenario, we wanted to see how many apples Sam had and how many bananas Sam had. We could do equals sum that way you can see Sam had 6 apples and 6 bananas. And that's it. Now you know how to use the equals sum function in Excel to quickly total up any column or set of numbers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.